God, fresh shots, pressured ako. Okay.
Oh gosh, baby.
Pakikita ko pa how long is the needle? Oh, ang laki.
Oh, laki ng needle, baby.
Pabantayan na lang yung hands.
Mahal yung...
Okay. It's okay, babe. Okay lang yan. Ganyan talaga.
Silence. Moment of silence.
Paglaki niya, yung mga magulang ko, iyak ako na iyak, tinatawanan lang ako. It's okay, Saiki. It's okay. It's
Wow,
okay.
brave.
It's okay.
Brave. You're a brave girl. Yeah, it's alright.
It's okay.
Ano, Dede? Wala ka. Wala na. Wala, ang galing naman ng baby. May band-aid lang. May band-aid.
Yan ang tunay na iyak.
Yeah, may tears.
Ayun,
Kanina mas umiiyak pa siya nung binibihis. Ano?
Oh. It's okay. I know.
I know.
Paglaki niya, panood mo yan.
Oh,
Yeah.
yay! Let's play with the bell. Let's play with the bell. It's okay. Mister. Dog ba to? Opo, everyday po yun.
Gusto naman yung lasa.
Actually, yun yung inaano namin sa formula pag morning lang. Yeah. The rest of the day siya yung sa akin.
Well, paracetamol is for fever and pain, so complications. So, bigyan siya ng paracetamol every 4 hours.
Every 4 hours.
0.5.
0.5, 4 hanggat sa maubos?
Hanggang sa maubos.
Or hanggat sa mawala na yung ano niya?
Tomorrow, until tomorrow.
Oh,
24
until tomorrow.
hours. Sarap?
Nam-nam. May water dito, baby.
Wag mo luluwa. Wag mo luluwa. Okay.
Ate yung lampin.
Okay, water please. Water, water. Good. Ayan.
Oh, wait lang, babe.
Oh, wait. Mo talaga kuha ng kuha. Pinanganak ako.
Kaka pa rin ng ko.
Water, baby.
Oh, okay.
Kuha na siya ngayon, no?
Magka 2 months sa
2
ano.
months. 2 months.
There you
Sa isang
go.
beses na.
See? It's not so bad. It's not so bad. Good girl. You're so brave. You're